Hello and welcome to Tech Set Go. My name is Shivendu Deshmukh and today I will be unboxing the OnePlus Nord pop-up box. So this box was on sale for anyone who was selected for the lucky draw that you can just enter by selecting your image that was creating via the OnePlus Nord's pop-up avatar generator and uploading it to them. So I was selected and now I just had it delivered to me. Let's dive right into it. So here I have the box right in front of me. Let me open it up. The Nord branding. So here I have the sticker sheet that OnePlus has provided that you can see here. Just a badge sticker and some other stickers. I will decorate my desktop with it. After that, let's open the phone at last. Let me open up this first. Let's see what's in this. So sounds metal. Let me open it. Okay, so this seems to be the bottle that OnePlus has provided. Nice metallic sound. So yeah, it's marked with the Nord emblem, and yeah, seems like a pretty cool water bottle. Yeah, still has that silicone pouch inside. So yeah, seems like a pretty good bottle. I will definitely use this. So yeah, that was what was in the big box. After that, let me open up the box below it. Okay, so along with the water bottle, they have also provided me with a case. So this is one of the creator cases that you can purchase separately, but they are included for free with this box. So I will open this up. So yeah, a lot of stickers on this side. To remove. Oh, this adhesive is strong. Okay, so yeah, this is the case right here. Okay, so it's not a silicone case, rather it's a hard plastic one. So this should compensate for the plastic body that the Nord has, so the plastic sides that Nord has. This should keep your phone pretty safe. Also on the inside, it's pretty good. Like it's always said that a good designer, even the back of the cupboard, he makes it with good material. So OnePlus, good job OnePlus. After this, uh, let me just keep this in recycling information. I'll keep this here. I will keep the case on this. Now let me make space for the final package. That is the phone itself. So here it is, the OnePlus Nord, the flagship killer reborn, or so have I heard. Easy to remove packaging, and this is the phone. Now, this time around, I was pretty interested in OnePlus's offering. So basically, they have gone back to their roots, making a budget-friendly but very powerful phone, and with a lot of features like you will get a lot of custom ROMs and kernels and everything available. So you can just flash them right onto your phone even after the support has gone through. So this is like my version of a future-proof phone. So let me just get this out of this, and oh, it feels really good in my hand. So yeah, this is the Nord. I've chosen the marble blue color. Like this looks really good for me. As you can see, it's like it's a gloss finish, but it doesn't seem to attract many fingerprints. So even after I've touched it, there's little to no fingerprints on here. It's as shiny as always. So yeah, this is the phone. After that, let's see what's included with the packaging. So yeah, okay. So this is a welcome letter and the free included silicone case. So this is a case that you should use in case you ever want to use your phone, or you can do without it if you don't care about it. But yeah, I care about my phone. So yeah, after that, here's a welcome letter. So yeah, okay. So this is a letter from the Nord team to all the buyers of the phone. Pretty legit. I will read it afterwards. After that, here's the included watt charge 30 watt power brick. So here we have the Indian plug along with the signature red power cable. So yeah, this has been a specialty of OnePlus. So in case you ever see a red cable, it's probably OnePlus. So yeah, they have given a bundle thing with it, so I can just easily manage it. So yeah, this is the power cable that came with it, and yeah, that's all that's inside the box. So let's power it up, shall we? Oh yeah, hi. Also, this matches with my shirt. So yeah, this matches with my shirt. You can see it right here. Yeah. Okay. Hi there. So just let me set this up. I'll get back to you guys in a moment. Along with the phone, you also get this guides and everything. So you can just open it up from here. Nice packaging. And yeah, here are the sticker sheets that everyone gets. The quick start guide. Oh, good guide. Safety information. And I am officially a part of the Red Cable Club. So yeah, cool. My membership card, ratings, and everything. So yeah, this is what comes with the phone. I wonder. Yeah. So yeah, and finally, I think yeah, here is the pen. I can just take this out. So I will set up the phone and let's try booting it up. So let's talk a bit about the phone while it's setting up. So on the side, you have your power button, and on the top, you have a little slider. So that is a privacy slider. So you can just slide that up to change it to vibrate mode or silent mode. So there's three clicks. That's one and second. So one, two. Pretty tactile feedback. On the other side, you have the volume rockers. Sadly, no headphone jacks, so it's just a mic. And on the bottom, you get your SIM card tray. After that, your USB-C port and the dual speakers. So basically, this is a super linear mono speaker. But I have heard that it sounds great, even more like even better than some of the stereo ones. So yeah, let's put that theory to test. So yeah, the fingerprint setup seems pretty easy. So when you see the screen glowing, it means that this device is using an under-screen camera. So there's actually a small camera that's under the screen and seeing through the AMOLED hole and capturing your fingerprint. So normally when you have phones like this, you will see the screen glow. So yeah, here's the OnePlus Nord, the blue OnePlus Nord with its original wallpaper. So it matches the color of the phone, I think. After that, I can choose my launcher layout and everything. So yeah, all in all, I think this is a nice phone. Wow, this is awesome. I mean, you won't probably realize it on this video because this video is only at 30 fps. But yeah, to my eyes, it looks really smooth. Like I can feel when I'm scrolling through the launcher, it's actually pretty smooth. So yeah, there are a few preloaded apps, but yeah, you can easily remove them. None of them are imposed on you directly. So yeah, I think all in all, this is a really nice good, a really nice good phone for its budget and given its features and everything, which has the latest Snapdragon. So I don't think that's an issue. This device is, I actually love this device because, as I've said earlier, I really like OnePlus a lot. So yeah, I think this is a really good buy for your price, and I don't regret having this. So yeah, that's my review plus the unboxing for you guys. So I hope you have enjoyed it. If yes, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have anything that you want to see more of, so just let me know in the comments down below. And I will try to include that in the next video. So yeah, till then, bye guys.